Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving LeetCode question number 169 majority elements. This is a question popular interview question that can be solved in several ways, but we are going to use a very clever and efficient algorithm to get the best possible performance. What is a question? We are given an array number of size n and our task is to return the majority element. By definition, the majority elements is that one that appear more than n by 2 times in the array. One helpful detail is that we can always assume that majority element exist in the input. What will the approach? While you could solve this by sorting or using a hash map, we are going to use the Boyer More voting algorithm. Thinks of it like a series of votes. We put a candidate as our potential majority elements. If we see the same number again, we increment its vote. If we see a different number, we decrement its vote. If the vote count reaches 0, we pick the current number as our new candidate because the majority elements appears more than half the time. It is guaranteed to be serving candidate at the end of the array travels. What will be the time complexity? 0 and we only did one pass through the array space complexity 0 1. Unlike a hash map approach, we don't need an extra storage. We just use two integer variable. Now let us go to the code. After that, I will explain how the code works. Now I will explain how the code works. We start by initializing two variables, majority to store our candidates and count to the track the words. We use a range-based for loop to iterate through every num in the nums vector. Inside the loop, the first thing we check is if our count is 0. If it is, we set the current number as our new majority candidate. Next, we will check the current number matches our majority. If it does, we increment the count. If it does not, we decrement the count. Once the loop finishes, the majority variable will hold the element that appear more than the half the times. This is a solution for the LeetCode question number 169 majority elements. Thank you.